Doors are opening. Doors to Bali. Alright, here we go. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day. Thank you. Alright, now, so that's the very first shot of Bali. Winnie sitting there by the bar didn't told her as I'm coming. Here we go. Hi, sweetheart. Yo, what's up? I'm at the Changi Airport. That was quick 24 hours in Singapore, and I just realized I'm waiting still for one friend to see today at the airport, as this was my 20th time in Singapore. I don't know how many times I was here when the times fly so quick, but 20 times. And even I was 20 times. I know this is Terminal 1, which is like the dragon here decoration little park. There is the arrival hall from the Terminal 1, and on the other side is actually entrance to the jewel, like a main entrance to the jewel. And I've been 20 times. I just realized up there is the glass bridge and people walking actually up there. So cool. So funny. You see, sometimes you just stay for a while and look around and you will learn something new. But that's the traveling, that's the life. I will show you a little bit from the Changi Airport, my favorite airport in the world, as I mentioned yesterday. And then there is the journey back to Bali. And then, of course, Bali at the end of the video. This is my favorite place for the coffee and tiramisu. Probably I'm gonna get here. And why is favorite one? Because it's the direct view of the Jewel waterfall, which is cool, like this one. And now it's the Christmas tree actually as well, sponsored by the Alipay, by the Jack Ma. If you don't know who is Jack Ma, you can Google about him. And yeah, in the train will come sometime. That's the Jewel. I've been here so many times. I make so many videos, even at daytime, nighttime. So, but cool to be here again. Anyways, gonna have a quick coffee. Plenty of shops. This is like a mall open to public on the other side of the transit zone, and I will probably get quick coffee, and I will see you already on the transit zone and the correct airport. However, yeah, you can find so many stuff here. But the view of this one actually never boring. I'm always happy to be here. Actually, this view is cool, and all of those plants are real, by the way. Real plants. Every single green stuff what you see at this airport is real. There's nothing fake here. Even it's the fake waterfall, but the plants are real. So cool. So basically, I'm in the cafe. That's my favorite place actually, because just over there is the vortex waterfall, what you can see and enjoy your cappuccino, tiramisu perhaps. It's really affordable. I will show you actually the full image, how much it costs, but it's not that much for the location. And Jewel is basically the separate terminal in Changi Airport, next to the Terminal 1. I made so many videos actually from this airport and from the Jewel itself during daytime, nighttime, any season. So you can Google about that and have a look. Really highly recommended. For now, I just gonna enjoy because I have a jet lag right now flying from Poland. And I will see you on the other side on the transit zone. And then I'm flying today Scott Plus, which is kinda business class actually, but it's not really business class, but it's like premium economy. Long story, I will show you later on. So that's the view from the restaurant, as you can see. That's the Mamma Mia, the name of the place. Tiramisu here for $5.50, coffee for $5.50, and Coke for $2.90. So it's actually really not so bad for the airport prices, and especially with the sort of epic view. So the actual total damage was $17. Qatar airport yesterday, for only coffee I paid $12. Qatar gonna be expensive, but that's Middle East. Okay, I will see you on the other side. And here you go, guys. This is Terminal 1, just after the immigration, with this characteristic huge Louis V shop. Basically, that's it. Recently, I'm flying pretty often from Terminal 1 because using the Scoot or Singapore Airlines, I'm trying to reduce AirAsia on the road to Singapore for many reasons. But Scoot is good, and this is the place. Actually, I feel this airport I know so well. So I'm just gonna show you a little bit around. Feels, well, busy as always. Actually, always is kind of busy here. Breitling shop. Whatever you buy on the transit zone is obviously tax-free. It's cheaper. But if you bought something what is not here outside in Singapore and you're not Singaporean, you can get your tax refund. It's just 5-6%, depends on what you bought. It's actually quite a lot of airplanes from China and from Korea. There's restaurant, but would like to get closer. Scoot, of course, and yeah, vending machines if you don't want to use the bars, and many shops. Actually, you can spend half day here and you're not gonna get bored. I can warrant you that. And a lot of actually interesting shops here. This is the legendary Singaporean toasts. Really quite a lot of vending machines here. Many types. You can get your ready to go food. That's the orange juice. This one is actually very nice for $3, but on the city will be $2, airport will be $3, and that's the airlines what I wanted to show you. Here we go. Actually, that's the cool shot of this airline, Chongqing, whatever it is. I think it's Chinese airline. It's actually really cool on the Terminal 1 as you have a really first point of view from the terminal. Basically, that's the window and you can see everything. You not see that on every airport. That's why Singapore Airport is different. And you can see actually the planes landing in the background. But it's cool. If you are interested about the planes and aviation and everything, that's a very cool terminal and the cool airport in general. Oh, here we go, and the Scoot is landing there in the background. Actually, you can do the plane spotting. Yes, Luis? Shout out to you, buddy. That's my friend. And the Scoot is landing, and this one is going bye-bye. In the background, there's even some army plane, actually. So, pretty rare view. Gonna get myself juice before, or my oranges are going before I fly. It's always cool. So I'm gonna have a little juice with the view of the planes just here. I'm gonna go soon. Oh, Singapore Airlines just landed. Cool. Many other stuff. Coffee actually. From the vending machine, 350. Here you go. That's my oranges going fresh. And the juice down there. My terminal has changed from Terminal 1 to Terminal 2, so you have to take a train. And the trains have no pilots, but they are racing now. No, this train is going through the Jewel. Another one, because all of those actually terminals, there are 3 terminals are connected. The 4th one is for AirAsia, that's why I'm not using. So it's a lot of fun when you are traveling here. And this is like a never-ending walkway now to gate E28, which is at the end of the terminal. I don't know why actually there, but yeah, at least not too busy here. The Terminal 2 was recently opened actually after the refurbishments. My plane for today is Airbus, that's the Boeing 787 actually. I'm tired already. Dreamliner with the name Jisa, like a Japanese YouTuber in Singapore. Wonder when they're gonna start naming it after me, Damian, the monkeys. Boarding time. So this is my seat today, Scott Plus, aka business class, but no loans, no priority, no nothing. It's just bigger seat, like premium economy, but still cool. Pretty the same price like a normal if you're flying with the bag. I have a bag, I came from Europe, so that's the thing. This was like a few dollars difference on it. Actually, yeah, you have a lot of leg room. You have a nice seat, looks like this one, so you can really lay over. Yeah, it's like a premium economy business class on the smaller plane, but this is Boeing 787. Also, of course, there will be food included, drink included, and everything, but there's no business lounge and there is no screens. You can also recline like this one, so it's pretty comfy. Alright, so that's the outside the window. I have a first seat, but I'm gonna tell you, there will be no shortage of the leg room though, and it's not full, so that's cool. But they treat you way better than in economy, and it's more space, of course, so that's some benefits in general. But because the price is nearly the same like economy, I think it's worth it. It's not like $800 or $1,000 more on Qatar Airways. From Singapore, I think the construction of the Terminal 5 is in progress, or it's gonna be another one, or they develop something. It's a little bit foggy, but a lot of construction is ongoing here. I heard they're gonna build the 5th terminal, so probably, and there are ships in the background, so I will see you in Bali, guys. At least I can relax, and I have a room to edit my video. Also, the cool thing is, you got 30 megabytes free Wi-Fi as the complimentary for the Scott Plus, aka business class. Cool. So they serve me the food, Coke, you can take all the drink, and this is the croissant with turkey, cheese and cranberry. So interesting, and some dessert. in the sky. Doors are opening, doors to Bali. Alright, here we go. Okay, thank you, bye bye, have a good day, thank you. Alright, now, so that's the very first shot of Bali. Very rare, had to fly the Scott Plus for that. First to the plane, first from the plane, that's flying. What I gonna tell you? Welcome to Bali, guys. I'm gonna show you a little bit from the airport and then I will see Winnie. A lot of working here recently and so quiet. What's going on? It's 7:30 p.m. Midweek doesn't really matter, but no people, huh? Maybe because I'm first from the plane, but no other planes came to Bali today at 7 p.m. Strange. Let's see the lines there later in immigration. This is so strange. No queues for the visa on arrival, no queues to immigration. There is no queues of anything. I'm going to Kita skate up, but still doesn't matter. There's no people anywhere. This is not the Bali what I always remember. What's going on here? And no, this is nobody for visa and nobody for the immigration in the background. It seems like only my plane was the first and only at this time. So that means Bali is quiet. I don't know. Is it? The gates doesn't work. Seems like totally no people at the airport. 7 p.m., 7:30, if I have to be very exact. Where are the people? I flew to Bali more than 20 times. More than 20. Staying here for over 8 years. I never seen the airport empty like today. Just remember, as the tourist, you are not allowed to work in Bali. Actually, in whole Indonesia. Not only in Bali, in general, in Indonesia. And many other Southeast Asian countries, by the way. Whenever you're gonna arrive to Bali, there will be the transport services and everything, SIM cards. You can feel already straightforward as you are going to the Asian vibes country somewhere. Normal, and somehow it's more people here a little bit. Maybe I had a gap where there was no people. I think I mentioned previously, but they have a Starbucks right now. But I don't see many drivers actually waiting at the front, so that means it's a little bit quiet, not too many arrivals. And Atlas Beach Club, the biggest beach club in Asia, in Bali, have their stand here. Here you go. Welcome to Ibiza. Sorry, Bali. So no matter you go there where all the people, but you can go around there and take a taxi from the departure. Somebody, taxi driver drop somebody, I'm gonna take him to take me home. Departure is busier than arrival. Definitely busier than arrival. Winnie sitting there by the bar didn't told her as I'm coming. Here we go. Hi, sweetheart.